Decor Designs, where we believe that no space is too small to be beautiful. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you're living in an apartment, you probably know the feeling of looking at your tiny balcony and thinking it's only good for drying clothes or storing boxes. But what if I told you that those few square feet could become your favorite room in the entire home? Today we are exploring the world of small apartment balcony decor. We're going to show you how to maximize every inch of space to create a stunning, functional retreat that feels like a private escape from the city hustle. Whether you have a narrow terrace or a tiny concrete slab, get ready to be inspired by these big ideas for small spaces. Small apartment balcony decor is the art of using specialized furniture, vertical gardening, and clever styling to turn a limited outdoor area into a functional living space. Choosing to decorate your balcony is essential because in apartment living, every square foot counts toward your mental well-being and home value. By adding comfortable seating, soft lighting, and greenery, you create a vital connection to the outdoors that can reduce stress and provide a fresh air sanctuary for morning coffees or evening relaxation. Transforming your balcony isn't just about aesthetics. It's about reclaiming neglected space and expanding your lifestyle beyond your four walls. Transform your small balcony into a stylish and functional space by using creative decorating ideas. Whether you choose to extend your living room style or create a unique private retreat, the right setup can enhance your outdoor space. From compact furniture and flourishing plants to privacy screens and soothing lights, explore practical solutions that cater to different styles and budgets, enriching your private outdoor area. One, add affordable decking. Small balcony with foldable table. The typical apartment balcony has a concrete floor that is devoid of personality. Fortunately, you can spruce up a boring slab with interlocking deck tiles, the way Igor Joseph did with here. They are very easy to install by simply snapping the pieces together. And if you are a renter, you should know they are a cinch to remove. 2. Hang some fabric. Privacy fence with curtain. Shield yourself from wind, sun, and prying eyes with a solid privacy screen such as this red one seen on this balcony from SEP. A simple cloth draped over the structure can ensure some extra privacy without having to break the bank. 3. Channel Palm Beach style. Cute modern tiny balcony. Caitlin Higgins wasn't a massive fan of her tiny outdoor space, so she decided to revamp it, and the results are stunning. She added a set of pinstripe curtains that provide just the right amount of lighting. Not too sheer but not blackout either. The reflective brass table adds a layer of elegance, while the set of black chairs helps ground the space and adds some serious contrast. 4. Accent with plants. Small balcony with mini plant wall or shelf. Tanya Savolj knows how to strategically place plants in her balcony space. The hanging plant boxes on the wrought iron fence, small potted plants on the table and in the corner, and a simple hanging structure that looks stylish and functional to showcase even more greenery. 5. Add a planter wall. Small balcony with wood pallet wall. A planter wall sets the tone for this lovely balcony by Coffee Home B. Vibrant florals add a festive touch. Wicker furniture and green astroturf create a decorative haven to retreat to when you want to unwind and relax. 6. Erect a privacy screen. Who doesn't love simple projects that add function and style to spaces? Case in point, this super affordable privacy screen idea by Yeri et Aliziterwelt. A simple addition of a half privacy screen made of thin bamboo strands still allows for a view without giving onlookers a full view of the space. The cozy fabric pallet on the ground is nestled in the perfect spot for some relaxation in a refreshing atmosphere. 7. Add style and function. Balcony with elegant plant stands. It's important to incorporate options that are both stylish and functional. like these plant stands on this balcony from Vidya Amberkar Interiors. The various heights allow all the different plants to be seen, and it adds a decorative aspect as opposed to solely keeping the plants on the ground. 8. Channel Parisian Style. Jessica Bunge from Emily Henderson Design took her extremely narrow balcony and turned it into a Parisian-style dream. The alternating deck tiles from IKEA were the result of a DIY project she took on to turn a concrete floor into something much more aesthetic. The vintage dining set was initially a set of 4 that she split with a friend, also known as friendship furniture. This concept works remarkably well for small apartment balconies that don't have the space to accommodate a larger number of chairs. 9. Try an egg-shaped chair. Small balcony with small egg chair. Rather than sticking with an average set of chairs, it doesn't hurt to add in something a bit more whimsical, like an egg-shaped chair. This chair takes up the perfect amount of space without being too overwhelming. On this balcony from Katakosti, the stacked flower baskets in the corner and the paper lantern above add a stunning decorative element that ties things together. 10. Thrift and repurpose. Pallet seating small balcony. Adriana from Forgotten Charm Thrift on Instagram found a wood pallet sectional frame on the side of the road and repurposed it for her balcony. She knew she would need some outdoor cushions to make this a viable seating option, so she turned to Etsy and ordered cushions that were specifically made to fit wood pallets, adding in some thrifted pillows. 11. Make it an extension. Small balcony with open door. To create your perfect balcony with a limited footprint, consider treating the balcony like an extension of your home. Opening up the doors and windows, like My House My Decor 10 did here, and keeping a similar theme between rooms can help make a smaller balcony feel more expansive. 12. A little urban jungle. Lush plant balcony. Indulge your green thumb by turning your balcony into a little urban jungle. This lovely outdoor space from Fr. Gomez Hopner is covered with beautiful greenery and seasonal flowers. Covering the railing are flower boxes. The tiny accent table and chair is a perfect space for one, overlooking the view of the city. The large umbrella brings the perfect amount of shade to protect from the sun's harsh rays. 13. Make it pet-friendly. Small balcony with cat. Got a pet? Then take note of this balcony setup from Sad Fat Cat on Instagram on how to turn your balcony into a pet-friendly space. The typical white fence wouldn't be quite enough to keep your furry friend inside, but adding a surround of thin wire mesh can do this trick. To keep things from feeling too contained, use that added mesh to help support more decor, like these whimsical and colorful paper lanterns of various shapes and sizes. 14. Add personal touches. When designing a balcony, naturally there will be common factors between your and others' spaces: a table and chairs, plants and lighting. However, you shouldn't feel as though you have to make a carbon copy of other spaces to have a stylish balcony. It should reflect some of your personal taste as well. This balcony from Mishy's Artsy Home is a great example. The small table is draped with a vintage-style tablecloth, and there are plenty of plants and string lights for atmosphere. The wall is styled with colorful decorative plates, a mirror, and other small decor items that she handpicked herself to create an eclectic, tasteful space. 15. Keep things simple. When decorating a space, sometimes the best results can come from keeping things simple. This portion of Caitlin Higgins' balcony is absolutely charming. A 2-seat rattan bench she found online is covered with a comfy white cushion and decorative pillows for personality. As we've seen today, a small balcony doesn't have to be a limitation. It's an opportunity to get creative. By focusing on vertical space, choosing multifunctional furniture and adding personal touches like rugs and lanterns, you can turn even the smallest corner into a high-end outdoor lounge. Don't let the size hold you back. Start small with a few plants or a cozy chair and watch how your entire apartment feels larger and more inviting. Your dream balcony is closer than you think, and it all starts with that first step toward better design. If you found these small balcony tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for your weekly dose of home and garden inspiration. We want to hear from you. What is the biggest challenge you face with your balcony? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always the first to see our latest transformations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.